Prangsi la media person atum nilong kewang pot ning ching duglo chorolo ning ka chethinai a team lo media ke athema latum si thea tha kopi ko son ma latum si rad atum phan kapang dak atum lo apen a hok pet pen kapang dak pulotang te rad atum a hok kopi ma na hok kopi ma chini dak longpo asi pini dak bokajan 108 LAC constituency pen LAC pen kachipate dun neli Samuel Rongpi Indigenous People's Party contesting candidate nangli tum rada tumaphan eson soni alam klar dak pen kapachini kangtung lapuhen lo klar dak pen kapachini kangtung ke isi kaphere memen nai lapen kachere mek vek nangji alam si nangli tumaphan nangethan. As a candidate, vote begging lenili kevang kali. I'm giving you an awareness. Awareness ke lahan lo donatum non kevang ji MLA kilik along ilitum kachipate dun nang ji lake anu tinta a responsibility do. Anu tinta a rights do lapen anu tin a duty ta lahan lo. Number 1 a duty ke lahan lo ke mesen lapen ke take share ke claim take leader with quality. Quality ke dua leader phan nang litum ingvai nang ji. Nang litum a vote ador so pick lapen labang so door ke jok a political party ta nang namun e. Jok a political party ta nang namun e, jok a politician ta nang litum phan nang namun e. Athema nang litum a right, constitutional rights lage. Lapen nang litum a duty. Duty pulahan lo ilitum jong si ake me ingvai pulatang te future ke secured po. Ilitum non kangwai ke ilitum me thang phan kali ilitum asu lapen mo ke bang ya kai phan to laputang te neli as a candidate nang litum phan isi so dak alam nili nang thanji pula hello ke ilitum karbiang long ke ningkan krepo congress nang dolo congress nang dopen ilitum malong ko pila development nang litum si chinilo nalige ningje je pinta nang litum chinilo non ngang kachipate dun roton ingti alangli am do bomahut ko pilo ke claim lapen la roton ingti quality leadership quality ko pilo nang litum chinilo. Give me one example that roton ingti has done for the people of Karbianglong. Isi nang paklang tha roton ingti Karbianglong phan claim pi to war pilota hai komane phan poisa tangka pilota hai lalek kinangji kali donatum non longle phelang kiwi rahut rotoning ti kopi posi do joy chuning 23 and inkan 2023 and inkan pen autonomous council longle ka chujor lok 54,500 bighas chujor det rotoning ti konat lo lamning je dun thekma boreng awar sai bangaphan pia rahut rotoning ti asi chipa do dun loma nangli tuming sai tha lapen alang education em dohut quality education alam ningje jepin quality education konat lo employment konat lo rada tum nang litum munthek tha la son alidar ke na hok ta longa thai do seta ke thek ser alidar ke litum ke claims ke long sung pik surjo rong phar 18,000 bigha salong le ke jor alang si NOC pidun ke mesen alidar pulotang te kopia pot si chuning 2025 June a cheklo 1 lakh acres ala da ka cheperai hud surjo rong phar kopi pot silam ning yedun de kopi pot si long le ka chujor hello ma development alang li poster along ke tok pilo unity progress and peace ilitum long a peace ningkang sam ke hala long le philang aben pen apran ke padam na hello ma borenga war sai ke long le pen ka charbo la hello ma peace progress Charlie takes her, Charlie at a tumta non auto chowek wrong, ko pia pot, lahlo mal tuma progress. Towar ke me away, kupulo health center away, quality away, lahlo ma progress. Unity kona la BJP, unity ke wan. Unity BJP ke wan ke, aron bari matuma kurusar tuman ke suri kep pilo, aron kimi tumhan piloma Christian pastor tumhan piloma dak nang kepulo nang kithak lahen lo ma progress doratum nang litum si theglong adlo lasi nang litum ke theglong ateng komatsi ke chok ma komatsi ke chok chema nelitum karbiang long me nangi karbiang long jog nangi karbiang long ri momota jog nangi pusi nilitum kam klem lo nili kaita ningje bom lo karbiang long along leke non BJP jong si ke hai lo pultang te Congress jong si ke hai lo pultang te 1 lakh acres along leke Reliance Industries Limited atuphan pitang lo pultang te avelo Reliance Industries Limited komat lo lake karbigali karbakali lake bangki cheke beaso tang te hala 1959 Mikir Hills Land Transfer Act ateng tong Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ke claim lama bang aso ke cheke beaso phan long le pilong le jor long le lapen che lar long le lapen ke cheke beaso pen ke cheke beaso ta long le chipiu ne hat so dak tok dak anta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council piniar ni anta long le ke jor pen loksi tangka kapangrup Karbi Anglong budget ko ano 500 crores kunat lo development lapen special fund 100 crores kunat lo so tangka MOS 1000 crores kunat lo tangka kunat lo development flyover kim chole development kali me nei chok nei lai ta seta town pen angtan nam tha rong rup dam tha drinking water kiju nalang kunat lo jal jivan wan lo jal jivan ye kopi lo destructive lage athima ground water si kapang sip rong alom non hala oka chupang reng fishery okay hala lang tu kan ta non lang nang kreng bom lo that is not development jal jivan ke destructive lage athima ground water jong si pangsibla pente mo pinanganan ningkana pike ilitum Karbi Anglong lang kiju na lang itum kavit det angring tepik job opportunity kunat lo 3,500 teachers will be appointed nili ningje bom lo kunat lo job appointment kunat lo voring oversight lasi tuliram ronghang ke lake tuliram ronghang a government ke lake urunodoya government dei ration card a CM lage tuliram ronghang ke la pena para jata tek thelo long leke chojor pen lan merlo urunodoy ke kumada alo tangkalo ili tumalong leka chojor atangka si tuliram ronghang ke sarpimara tumaphan ke bai ni atum nang litum phan sodak alam la hello labang so atangka ke ili tumalong leka chojor atangka si ili tum phanang ke pi ili tumat lo vote ke pharo hini gali pharo pho gali suri si kali ili tuma vote ke ili tuma so future a phansi non ili tum vote pinai lapen jongsi pini ili tum labang so ke claim jongsi chok che that ake me phan invite tek that pulutang te non ningkan pho chiru nang po lapen neli ke claim lapen IPP tum ke claim la long le phelang kapijok akam jongsi heno dak pulutang te vote nang piri donatu lapen jongsi Samuel rong pi ke claim long le phelang pijok nai buwa joy ne tuliram ronghang neli phan police atum nang panep nang ke beng toy ke hingopik pulutang te surjo phan vote pinon roton phan vote pinon seta surjo phan nang tum vote ki pi lotang te nang tum ningkan pho chiru nang podona tu nang tum chiru nai ili tum ration card aphan nanong pe thera ya kamawe ili tum along li anake me choklem non ningkan si nang litum ani gune hala so dalia plang bhari bhari chota chuno tes ave lahen lo mai litum aphan jo kamatha nahi arsik piglo lapen ke claim nahi ta non ke karsik pig aporlo mizoram atum mizoram long mizos tum long chali dun sena ha tum ke tangka lang le don atum hal tum ke ja ke me lapen ke thek alidar si kangbai la so opposite mizoram ke pini ke one of the most disciplined state nang tum gari vek dam tha dak a horn da pipe a line si doji discipline one of the most disciplined state lapen education halada ke literacy rate ke number 1 no kopia pot leader atum mesena padlo claim tax sera padlo Karbi Anglong e kivirlo donatum la vote bank pa na join e Karbi Anglong e kivirlo tuliram rong hang party si het kunat sige dam lo halaki plung et nangya dim si lake kachar dom dam herak me hiji me akam si ilituma leader ke claim Kuman niya paning check po, kuman niya paning bank po, kuman niya pan ke ther po, nili panang bank lo, nili President Rajan Timong pa ke Jupang Thang paton lo, agari ap te kang rai lo. Ka munit kereng at ador ke suri kebet ma. Hala ke claim da matum suri kebet pen si munit apran ken kabor i. Lahan lo ma ilito ma government. Lahan lo ma. Si nili ningje olo la pen chitan olo non na phong ke bang ke je ai gathar ko pia pot si la long le phelang ka chujor ed along ko pc ka nang claim pidun lo documents sang paklang where is Bikram Hanse where is JI Qatar ke nang li tuma pharlu nang chujor dead lo donatu National Party ke ili tumafan la 6 schedule aron atanga teng nang claim long liat tumalong si non ke kachirap ka chitudun ki vir atwar si damrong lo kaya ke tek ta kapar long pinaglo kasi donatum nang litum insai ik pemetha kumane ani si Samson ke nilifan nang pu ke kopilo la XYZ independent ke BJP agent na pu nang litum ke BJP anta so selo nang litum thanga che jorge rat apar lo ka che jorge nang litum ke BJP tuma anta so selo ka pevir asi donatum ningori ningbiri jongsi nang litum ahir jume pen neli rank at la pen neli nang litum ahir jume pen arjab dun thekser pulutang te non nilitum la chedan bob okay out of 54,500 bighas niltum 33,000 bighas ke nang pe jok piat lo la son na taxi niltum claim bom malang na pen nang litum ahir jume pen nang litum vote nang pinang pipe nil chini ne la long le phelang phan ge nili chedan bom ni at the very outset, I would like to give thanks to the media persons, believing that they are being the biggest and the most powerful instrument in the transformation of the society. I would really feel so great for having them with me today. And through them, I would like to share to the public the vision that I have, the reasons why I am as a candidate. I'm Samuel Rongpi from 108 Bokajan LSC. This is a platform where we come together, unite together to bring change. Change does not happen itself. Change begins when we unite. And therefore, at the very outset, as the 16th Assam Assembly election approaches for the MLA, it's a crucial time that we retrospect, that we recollect what we have done. Have we done the right thing? That is choosing the right candidate, choosing the right leader. I therefore see, as an individual, we need to see into the characters. We need to see into the qualities of a leader. I cite an example of Surjo Rongphar. Surjo Rongphar being the EM, what has he done? He has betrayed the people. He has given NOC in selling of the land, which is against the 6th schedule spirit, whereby the Mikir Hills Land Transfer Act says we cannot mortgage, we cannot sell, and we cannot transfer our land to non-tribals. If this is the rule, if this is the law, why has the present BJP government, under the leadership of Tuliram Ronghang, given 1 lakh acres to Reliance Industries Limited? Apart from that, there is also 54,500 bighas, 6,000 in Bukolia, 6,000 in Langkaijan, 9,000 in Umrongso, 18,000 in Lahore region. What has the government done? Team Karbi Anglong says they shall work for the all-round development. Where is the development? Surjo Rangpar in his, poster, he has written, he stands for what? He stands for unity. He stands for peace. He stands for progress. Where is the progress? Surjo Rangpar, I ask those who believe in Surjo Rangpar, where is the progress he has brought? Give me. The progress that he has brought is the sale of land, the loss of our ancestral land. Where is peace? There is no peace in Karbi Anglong. Division has been created amongst us. You are Aron Kimi, you are Christian, you are Hong Hari. Where is equality? Therefore, my dear people, let us not differentiate each other. We have been living together. We have been cooperating. We have been living so peacefully. Then why, because of this, cheap leaders, we divide among ourselves? We are governed by the worst leaders. We are governed by the worst citizens. We have chosen the worst citizens. And this is called kakistocracy, the government of the fools. And therefore, my dear people, as time approaches, as election approaches, I earnestly request you to kindly, reason out and choose a leader who will bring progress, who will stand for you. Amor Singh Tissot, has he ever spoken about autonomous state? All the MLAs in the Legislative Assembly, has they ever brought that, the bill called autonomous state? Hemprek Konadlo. Where is the Hemprek? We keep on speaking about Hemprek, and we keep among ourselves divided, and all the rights that is enshrined by the Constitution is being lost. We cannot get Hemprek unless we have a good leader. If you have faith in Tuliram, you are destroying your future. If you are faith in Surjo Rangpar, you are destroying your children's future. If you are having faith in, Roton Ingti, we are destroying our society. Give me one proof that Surjo has done in the field of progress, in the field of bringing peace, in the field of uniting people. Give me one example where Roton Ingti has done. In short, I request my dear people that if what I have done, I have saved my team, Indigenous People's Party has saved 33,000 bighas of land out of 54,500 bighas. And there is a fear that after the election, soon after the election, the Reliance Industries Limited is going to take away 4,000 to 5,000 acres, which in future, they are going to take away 1 lakh acres. 1 lakh acres is equal to, my dear people, 3,50,000 bighas. Where will our children go? Where will our children go? If this is the case, Karbi Anglong will not exist. The Karbis will not exist. We will be going and begging from others. And therefore, to save our future, to save the future of their children's children, we need to take decision now. A right decision. A right decision will create a society of development. And when we have a good leader, a political party will fight for election, but the leaders will fight for the future. Therefore, if you choose the future, vote for IPP. If you choose for temporary, gain, like 500, 1,000 rupees, you choose BJP or Congress, which will lead you to destruction. So, in short, I, Mr. Samuel Rongpi, a candidate from 108 Bokazan LAC, from Indigenous People's Party, appeal to the people that let us work together, let us come together, and working together, coming together will bring change. Change cannot occur from an individual. Political leaders cannot bring change unless the public does it. And your vote matters. Your vote matters. We public has got 99% in the power, and the political party has on just 1% of power. and we, the public decision, is, the deciding factor where our society, where our region can be developed.